planet orbiting two stars, the celestial wonder. Welcome back to KM Celestial Journey, where we take you through the vast and fascinating realms of space. Today, we dive into a celestial phenomenon that not only fascinates astronomers, but also inspires science fiction lovers. A planet orbiting two stars. Yes, you heard that right. A system where a planet doesn't just revolve around one sun, but two suns. This incredible discovery gives us a glimpse into the wonders of our universe that stretch far beyond imagination. So buckle up, star chasers, because this is going to be a cosmic ride like no other. What does it mean to orbit two stars? Let's start with the basics. Normally, when we think of planets orbiting a star, we picture our own solar system, where Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and the others revolve around the sun. But in some extraordinary systems, planets can orbit two stars at once. These are known as circumbinary planets. The term circumbinary literally means around two bodies. Imagine standing on the surface of such a planet. Instead of seeing just one bright sun in the sky, you would see two suns rising and setting, like something straight out of Star Wars. The light, heat, and gravitational forces would behave very differently compared to a single star system. These double-star systems are not just science fiction fantasies anymore. Thanks to advancements in space exploration technology, scientists have confirmed that these systems do exist. The discovery of planets orbiting two stars. The first ever circumbinary planet was discovered in 2011 by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope. This groundbreaking discovery completely changed how we understand planetary systems. The planet was named Kepler-16b, and it orbits a pair of stars in a binary star system. Here's what makes this even more fascinating. Kepler-16b is about the size of Saturn and located approximately 200 light-years away from Earth. It's not in the habitable zone, meaning it's likely a gas giant and cannot support life as we know it. However, its existence proved that planets can form and stabilize in systems with two stars. Since then, more circumbinary planets have been discovered, each revealing unique insights about the nature of binary systems and planetary evolution. How do planets orbit two stars? Now, you may be wondering, how is it even possible for a planet to orbit two stars without being torn apart by their combined gravitational forces? Great question. Here's how it works. In a binary star system, the two stars orbit around a common center of mass. Think of it like two people spinning around while holding hands. They create a shared center point between them. A planet in such a system orbits this center of mass, not just one individual star. The gravitational dance between the two stars creates a stable path for the planet, allowing it to orbit both stars without crashing into one or being flung out into space. These stable orbits are typically much wider than the orbits of planets in single-star systems. Interestingly, the planet's orbit has to be extremely precise. If it's too close to either star, it could experience extreme gravitational disruptions and become unstable. But when the orbit is just right, the planet can maintain a stable and balanced path around both suns. What would life be like on a planet with two suns? This is where things get really exciting. If you lived on a planet orbiting two stars, your sky would look very different from anything we see here on Earth. Imagine this. During parts of the year, both stars might appear close together, rising and setting almost in unison, creating double sunrises and sunsets. At other times, the stars could be farther apart, lighting up different parts of the sky. This would lead to extremely unique day-night cycles. The weather on such a planet could also be unpredictable. The presence of two stars means fluctuating levels of heat and light, which could lead to drastic temperature shifts. Some areas might experience long periods of intense heat, followed by prolonged cold as the stars move apart in the sky. And what about seasons? With two stars, the seasons would not be as predictable as Earth's. Instead, the planet might go through irregular and extreme changes, depending on how the two stars interact with each other and the planet's orbit. Would life be possible on such a planet? That's the big question. Scientists believe that if the planet is located in the habitable zone, the perfect distance where liquid water can exist, then life could be possible. But the conditions would be vastly different from what we are used to here on Earth. Examples of known circumbinary planets. So far, astronomers have identified a handful of circumbinary planets, and each one is fascinating in its own way. Kepler 16b, the first discovered circumbinary planet, as we mentioned earlier. It's a gas giant about the size of Saturn. Kepler 34b and Kepler 35b. These planets orbit their respective binary stars in very wide orbits. They are also gas giants and showcase the incredible diversity of circumbinary systems. Kepler 47 system. This one is truly special because it has multiple planets orbiting 2 stars. One of the planets, Kepler 47c, is in the habitable zone, sparking curiosity about the potential for life. Each of these discoveries adds to our understanding of how planets can exist and thrive in environments that were once considered impossible. The future of exploring binary star systems. The study of circumbinary planets is still in its infancy, but the possibilities are endless. As technology advances, astronomers are developing more powerful telescopes and tools to explore distant star systems with greater accuracy. Projects like NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and upcoming missions will help us uncover more planets orbiting binary stars. Scientists are particularly excited about finding rocky planets like Earth in the habitable zones of these systems. Such discoveries could revolutionize our search for alien life. In addition, studying circumbinary planets helps us understand the broader picture of planet formation. How do planets form in such complex gravitational environments? What does this mean for the countless other star systems in our galaxy? These are the questions that astronomers are working to answer. Conclusion: a universe full of surprises. The discovery of planets orbiting 2 stars is a humbling reminder that the universe is far more diverse and complex than we could have ever imagined. These circumbinary systems challenge our understanding of planetary science and open up new possibilities in our search for habitable worlds. Imagine the beauty of standing on a distant world and witnessing 2 suns rise in the sky, a sight that no human has ever seen. It's awe-inspiring to think that somewhere out there such worlds exist, waiting to be explored. As we continue to study these celestial wonders, who knows what other surprises the universe has in store for us? One thing is for sure, the stars hold infinite mysteries, and we are just beginning to uncover them. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KM Celestial Journey for more incredible explorations of the universe. Let us know in the comments what you think about planets orbiting 2 stars and what other space topics you'd like us to cover next. Until then, keep looking up, stay curious, and let the stars guide you. This is KM Celestial Journey, signing off.